Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to extract currency from an image using Vision framework in native iOS application. So let's get started. Here you can see I have my app running on a real device. I have already granted the camera permission, but if you are running it for first time it will ask you for camera permission. And here on the right hand side I have an image which has some currency inside it. So let's see whether it is able to recognize it or not. I'll click on the press me button. Okay, so here it is not able to recognize this particular currency, but doesn't matter, we'll try to pick some another image. Okay, let's try on this image because in this image for the sales column there is this dollar symbol attached to this particular number. So let's try over here. The camera is little blurred, I don't know why. Let me just try to zoom in. Okay, so here you can see it was able to detect it. So whatever currency it detects the first time, that's what the output it will give it for you. I'll click on the press me again just to show it to you one more time. Here you can see it was immediately detecting this particular currency. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So firstly I have created a native iOS application using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Then you will have to go to your project, and here inside info make sure you add this camera usage description permission as well. Then inside view controller I have imported Visionkit, and I am extending this data scanner view controller. Delegate I have created this UI label as well as UI button as well. And here inside data scanner view controller, here you can see this is the important part. In recognize data type I am passing it as currency. Quality level I have kept it as fast. Recognize multiple items I have kept it as false, but if you want you can keep it as true. Is higher frame rate tracking enabled, I have kept it as false, and highlighting also I have kept it as false. So if you keep this as true, you can also perform some mathematical calculation and maybe display that with the help of Visionkit. Here is our scanner available, check. And here I have created this added my label as well as button. We are setting the delegate as well. Here we are setting constraint for our label and button, and here we are setting some click listener for our button. So once the button is clicked, we are just open our camera controller and start scanning it. These are methods which you can override. I'm not really using it, but it's up to you. So here you can see once it recognizes an item, then I'm just looping over it. I'm checking whether it is of type text or type barcode. We don't really need this barcode. If you want you can delete this. And if it is type text, I'm assigning it to our label, printing it to console, and then we just stop scanning. But if you want you can continue scanning as well. And here you can see I have also override this particular methods. In case if you want you can use that as well for your purpose. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.